Okay, this morning we are going to check on Roxanne. I think today, I've kind of lost track, is about the 19th of March. She's about 4 days overdue, and we're just going to see how she is. I think she's coming along pretty good. For those of you who have seen my big dog Adis, we will introduce you to him before we go to the barn. Hi, Adis. He is my almost 1-year-old puppy. Hi. Hello. Say hi, Adis. Good boy. Hello. What a face that is, huh? I'm guessing, about 125 pounds now. He's hanging out with Gandhi, the buck of Zena's quads and Elsie's soon-to-be babies. Gorgeous day in anticipation for a winter storm tomorrow. So back to the barn. I'm pretty sure that Roxanne is going to kid today. It's a filthy mess. I cleaned the stall, but I still haven't cleaned the aisleway. Hi, Roxanne. Yeah, she's definitely got her milk coming in. So here's Roxanne. Hi, girl. And her udder's pretty darn full. There's Elsie. Hi, Roxanne. Hello. And here's the good mama, Zena. Hi, Z. What a good girl. And you can't really tell, but here are the babies all squished together, napping. Hard to tell. There's one, then there's 3 of them in that tub. I'll try and video more when they get up and start zooming. And there's little Miss Elsie. Where's Lola? Oh, there's Lola. Hi, Lola. Still some snow up there. All right, more later. Thanks, guys.